Hello, dear human. My name is Paulina, and today's morning yoga is for everyone that wants to feel confident, soft hips, flexible spine, and beautiful. So, whenever you're ready, find a comfortable standing position, lift your arms up, breathe in, and with an exhale, bring your palms to your chest. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Try to find a stable position on your feet. You can rock from side to side, from front to the back of your feet. Try to focus on your connection to the ground. You can wave a little with your body. And slowly open your eyes. Release your hands. Step your feet wider than hips. And with an inhale, arms up. And with an exhale, little squat. And inhale, arm up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, come back to the center. Circle your left arm and come to the left leg, bending and stretching your left side. Lift up and release. Inhale, arms up and make a circles with your right hand. Come to the right leg, down, bend, and stretch your left side. With an inhale, come up and release your hands. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, come down. Go to the goddess pose. Walk your goddess from side to side. Feet are in direction with your knees, almost in cactus shape. Smile to yourself. Inhale up, straight your legs, and with an exhale, palms together down. Inhale up, and with an exhale, deep squat. Inhale up with an energy and exhale down. Perfect. Inhale up, stretch your legs, and exhale, come down. Palms to the ground in front of you. Bend your one knee and the other and try to find a movement with your hips. Moving from side to side, gently. It's the morning, so we need to be gentle. And move slowly from side to side, bending one knee and the other. Come back to the center, palms to the ground in front of you. Bend your right knee, come to the side squat. And with your own rhythm, move from side to side. Look at the flexed feet. And come back to the center. Right palm to the ground. Left arm up. Twist to the left side. Look up and come back to center. Right side. Right arm up and come back to the center. Left arm up and come back to the center. Right arm up and come back to the center. Tiptoe your feet to hip width apart. Turn to face front of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Relax your head. Grab your elbows gently and rock from side to side. Bend one knee, then the other, and let all the weight on your shoulders drop. Come back to the center, step to plank pose. Inhale, come on the tip of your toes and slide forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, slide forward in plank pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, make a wave with your spine. Exhale, downward facing dog. Walk your dog. Bend one knee, then the other. Move your hips. Bring your left foot forward between your hand. Right knee down, right foot on the mat. Your hips square and strong. Inhale, arms up, look up, and exhale, hands to the mat, front leg straighten, foot flexed. Inhale, up, look up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, and exhale, down. Now bring your left hand next to the left foot. Reach your right arm over your head. Straighten your right leg. Inhale, look up. Open your chest. Exhale. With forward fold in the middle, change sides. Right leg between your hands. Left knee down. Left foot down on the mat. Hip facing forward. Inhale up, arms up. Exhale down to half split. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Bring your right hand next to the right foot. Straighten your back leg. Reach your left arm over your head. Look up and open your chest. Straighten up your both legs. Come to a wide leg fold. Wave from side to side. Shorten the distance between your feet to the hip width apart. Inhale, arms up, standing position. And exhale, hands to your chest in prayers pose. Inhale in and exhale out. Breathe in your own rhythm. Gently open your eyes. Release the tension of your hands and your legs, shake them a little. Now we're going to be an energy ball and start jumping. As you feel today, release everything and have some fun. Inhale, bring your arms to the sky, palms together. Exhale, hands to the chest. Bow to yourself and smile. Thank you for being here. See you soon on the next practice to be closer to yourself. Bye!